photography equipment. So this is a tripod by Syvo WT. Once you open the box, you will find the main tripod stand. It has a base where you attach a phone holder. This is that phone holder, and this is a pan holder. So pan holder essentially helps you in panning and tilting movements. Let's see how to set it up. Place the tripod wherever you want and take this phone holder and fit it like this. You can choose to shoot in the landscape as well as the portrait mode. Now attach this pan handle and tighten it like this. And you can now pan it or even tilt it. This is now a fully set up tripod, and you can simply attach the phone and start shooting. Once you are done with shooting, you can store the tripod stand in this black pouch. So it comes with a box. Even if you are a beginner who wants to shoot quality content, this tripod by Syvo WT is just right for you. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye.